Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh Babu Chindala and I am pursuing Generative AI. I have done a project Morse Code Generating from English and numerical to Morse Code. It is very useful for blind people as they can hear the Morse code and they can information, and it is also used for secret information transportation between some secret codes, and now it will generate any English or any numerical values into Morse code, and it will display Morse code output. And for blind people it will also be, they can be here. I used functions, play beep and play Morse, and English to Morse conversion function also. And in that I used for if-else for exact A, B, C, D and alphabets and numericals. It will be only worked on English alphabets and numericals. Here you can see enter English text. Now I will take hi. Here the H Morse code is this and I is this. And the audio files also cleared. Now we can transfer a mobile number also. Now I am going to write some random mobile number. The output is given in digital format like this text and also in the audio file.